started this business about 21 years ago. We have been doing and then household cleaning, office cleaning, and then as well as manufacturing of chemicals. What happened is that and then we realized that there is a niche in industrial cleaning. So we started putting tenders on for us to be considered. Camden Power Station awarded us with a contract of about 3 years. So and then that's what we're doing now. But people who came to us, it was Costco. They helped us. We hired all the equipment from them at the beginning. They help us to get our own equipment, and then we have got now trucks that they help us to.
The first truck was for the contract with Camden Power Station, and this will be now our second truck. So we just want to say to Costco, thank you so much for walking the walk with us. We are newbies in this industry, and thank you for making it such a smooth ride. Thank you for the support.
Thank you for the support from them.